Hi guys, welcome to another video about Google overspending your budget. If you are also affected, maybe this is a helpful video for you, at least I hope so. I was struggling since quite some time that Google was overspending my daily budget. So I had my campaign daily budget on $1, and on a couple of months, when I just was checking back here and I had here my last months, it said like I was on a cost of $32, $33, sometimes even more, $34. I think that was about the maximum. So maximum was usually about 10% above my total budget. When you do 30 times $1, you should actually, in a 30-day range, you should be ending at $30. If you have a month maybe with 31 days, I mean, here we have the I think it was the really last month usually, and they don't have anything close to that, or last 30 days. But anyway, it shouldn't be like that you end on a 10% higher bill than expected. I mean, if you're spending just $30 like me on a month, yeah, it's not much, $3 more. But if you have like a 10 million budget from a client, and then Google is overshooting by 1 million, which is 10%, yeah, who is going to pay for that? You could be in trouble, definitely. So I've been trying around a little bit. What I have done, if you have been watching my last video, you probably saw that I have adjusted, changed from daily budget to monthly budget. So instead of having $1 per day, I changed to $30 per month. And this is what we are seeing now. It is showing currently the last 30 days. Yeah, I think that's the default profile or default settings, last 30 days, and my cost is $28.42. So yeah, below $30, exactly what I wanted. So I was thinking, okay, that worked. So my recommendation would have been switch from daily budget to monthly budget. But what I have noticed, that maybe just as a coincidence, or just by chance, I'm doing this video now at the end of the month. So it could technically, I don't have any kind of confirmation, and it's difficult to get any real answer from Google about that, but it could be that they are just matching your budget on a calendar monthly base, not on a 30 days period, but just based on the calendar month. So it could be that you are, or that they are overshooting, like from 15th of September to 15th of October. But when you watch the whole September, it would be probably below your budget, and when you're watching the whole October, it would be below your budget. But what I actually not like, when we have a daily budget, it should be a daily budget. When I have $1 daily budget, the maximum should be below that limit. No matter what a limit I put in, it should be respected. But anyway, it looks like, at least at the moment, it works on a monthly base, at least on a calendar monthly base, and it works probably if you are setting the monthly budget instead of daily budget. But these are just some kind of indications from my side. It is not 100% confirmed, just a kind of indication. If you are also struggling with this problem and they're trying around and trying to improve that, this could be helpful, hopefully for you. At least for me, it solved the problem. Hope it will solve it for you too. Please leave anything in the feedback area, what your experience, how do your problems look like, how much did Google overshot your budget, how did you solve this? Would be really interesting to learn from you. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.